Hey, how you doing? My name is Neal, Principal, East Avenue Middle School in Livermore. I just want to talk to you about how easy it was to book this assembly for us. I delegated it off to my staff. They took care of the whole thing, and before I knew it, the whole thing was booked. It was ready to go, we had the date, time, everything was taken care of. It was easy, professional, simple, and quick. It was great. When thinking about the kids for this assembly, they were engaged from the moment they walked in until it was over. Even at the very end, some kids stayed back to hear some more of the message. It was powerful. There was music. The kids knew. They were excited the whole time, but the presenter was able to keep them engaged and on point the entire time. So fantastic assembly for you if you need something like this for your school. Talking to my fellow principals out there, if you need an assembly that addresses bullying in your school or just want to have something that talks about bullying to get kids on the right mindset, this is it. It was fun, it was energetic, kids were engaged. I didn't have to do my, I usually do an intro before I have assemblies, and I have to do that this time. It was taken care of, they came in, the kids were ready, had the music playing, they were excited, so it got them engaged early on, and then it hit them with the message, the positive and the powerful message, because they were already ready to hear it, they were engaged. So if you're looking for a fun assembly, but also meaningful, this is it.